Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why your car starts but immediately dies and how to fix it. It's happened to all of us. You turn the key, the car starts, and then it dies just as quickly. Frustrating, right? This common car issue can leave you stranded and scratching your head. Understanding why your car starts and then dies can save you time and money. From fuel system issues to faulty sensors, there are several culprits behind this annoying problem. Stick around, and you'll learn how to diagnose and fix this issue, getting you back on the road without the stress. Common causes of a car starting and then dying. When your car starts but then abruptly stalls, it can be frustrating and concerning. Several common issues could be causing this problem. Let's look into some of the primary reasons behind a car starting and then dying abruptly. Fuel delivery problems. One common culprit behind a car starting and then dying is fuel delivery issues. If your fuel pump is failing, clogged fuel filters are restricting fuel flow, or there are leaks in the fuel system, your engine may struggle to receive an adequate amount of fuel to run smoothly. Symptoms to watch out for include sputtering engine sounds, difficulty starting the car, or stalling shortly after ignition. Ignition system malfunctions. Issues within the ignition system can also lead to a car starting and then dying unexpectedly. Faulty ignition coils, worn-out spark plugs, or problems with the crankshaft position sensor can disrupt the spark needed to ignite the fuel in the engine. This disruption can cause the engine to start but then stall shortly afterward. Keep an eye out for signs like engine misfires, rough idling, or poor acceleration, indicating potential ignition system malfunctions. Sensor failures. Sensors play a crucial role in monitoring and regulating various aspects of your vehicle's performance. When sensors like the mass airflow (MAF) sensor or the throttle position sensor malfunction, they can send incorrect data to the engine control unit, leading to erratic engine behavior, including starting and then stalling. Understanding the functions of these sensors and recognizing symptoms like rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, or sudden stalling can help pinpoint sensor-related issues in your car. By identifying and addressing fuel delivery problems, ignition system malfunctions, and sensor failures promptly, you can prevent your car from starting and then dying unexpectedly, ensuring smooth and reliable vehicle operation. Remember, regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your car running smoothly and avoiding sudden stalling issues. Diagnostic steps to identify the issue. When your car starts but then abruptly dies, it can be frustrating and concerning. To pinpoint the exact problem causing this issue, it's essential to perform a systematic diagnostic process. Here's a guide on how to diagnose the specific problem, using OBD2 scanner for error codes. One of the first steps in diagnosing a car that starts but dies is to utilize an OBD2 scanner. This tool helps retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, stored in the vehicle's computer system. These codes provide valuable insights into what component or system is malfunctioning. By reading these codes, you can narrow down the possible causes of the stalling issue, saving time and effort in the diagnostic process. Checking fuel system components. Inspecting the fuel system components is crucial in diagnosing a stalling car. Start by examining the fuel pump, fuel filter, and fuel lines for any signs of damage, blockages, or leaks. A faulty fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can lead to inadequate fuel delivery to the engine, causing it to stall. Ensure that the fuel lines are free from obstructions and that there are no visible leaks that could be compromising the fuel system's integrity. Testing ignition system components. The ignition system plays a vital role in the car's operation, and faulty components can result in stalling issues. Test the ignition coils, spark plugs, and sensors to determine if any of these parts are malfunctioning. Faulty ignition coils can disrupt the spark delivery to the spark plugs, leading to engine misfires and stalling. Worn-out spark plugs or faulty sensors can also contribute to stalling problems. By testing these components, you can identify and address any issues affecting the ignition system's performance. Diagnosing a car that starts but then dies requires a methodical approach and attention to detail. By following these diagnostic steps, you can efficiently identify the underlying issue causing the stalling problem and take the necessary steps to resolve it. Remember to consult a professional mechanic if you need further assistance in diagnosing and repairing the issue. Potential solutions to fix the issue. After diagnosing the car's starting and stalling problem, it's crucial to implement the right solutions to address the specific causes effectively. Consider the following repair options to resolve the issue and get your car running smoothly again. Replacing faulty components. When your car starts but then dies shortly after, one common culprit could be faulty components such as the fuel pump, ignition coils, or sensors. It's recommended to replace any malfunctioning parts to ensure proper functioning of the vehicle. Faulty components can disrupt the fuel delivery or ignition process, leading to stalling issues. By replacing these components with high-quality parts, you can effectively resolve the stalling problem and improve the overall performance of your car. Cleaning or repairing fuel system. Another potential solution to address the starting and stalling issue is to focus on cleaning or repairing the fuel system components. Over time, deposits and impurities can accumulate in the fuel system, affecting the fuel delivery to the engine. This can result in erratic idling or stalling after starting the car. By cleaning or repairing the fuel injectors, fuel filter, and other related components, you can ensure a smooth and consistent flow of fuel to the engine, preventing stalling issues and improving fuel efficiency. Professional mechanic assistance. If diagnosing and repairing the car's starting and stalling issue seems complex, or if the previous DIY attempts have not resolved the problem, seeking assistance from a qualified mechanic is advisable. A professional mechanic has the expertise and diagnostic tools to identify and address underlying issues effectively. They can conduct a thorough inspection, perform advanced diagnostics, and recommend the most appropriate solutions to get your car back on the road without stalling issues. Professional assistance can save time, prevent further damage, and ensure the long-term reliability of your vehicle. By considering these potential solutions and repair options, you can address the specific causes of your car's starting and stalling problem effectively. Whether it involves replacing faulty components, cleaning the fuel system, or seeking professional mechanic assistance, taking proactive steps to resolve the issue can help you enjoy a smoother driving experience. Preventive maintenance tips to avoid future problems. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your vehicle in top shape is vital to ensure a smooth drive and avoid unexpected car troubles. By being proactive with preventive maintenance, you can steer clear of the frustrating issue of your car starting and then dying abruptly. Let's see some practical tips to help you maintain your vehicle's health and prevent future problems. Regular vehicle inspections. Embark on a quest of routine vehicle inspections to uncover potential issues before they escalate. Regular checks can be a game changer, aiding in the early detection of problems that could lead to stalling or starting woes. Simple tasks like inspecting belts, hoses, and fluids can go a long way in maintaining your car's performance and reliability. Maintaining fuel system health. Fuel is the lifeblood of your vehicle, and keeping the fuel system healthy is pivotal to ensure a seamless driving experience. Begin by leveraging quality fuel from reputable sources to enhance engine efficiency. Regularly changing fuel filters and keeping the fuel tank clean are simple yet effective ways to prevent clogs and fuel delivery issues that may cause your car to stall unexpectedly. Timely ignition system maintenance. The ignition system serves as the spark that ignites your engine, and any disruption in this system could lead to engine stalling. To maintain optimal engine performance, timely maintenance of ignition components is essential. From spark plugs to ignition coils, ensuring these parts are in good condition can prevent starting issues and keep your engine running smoothly. By adopting these preventive maintenance tips and incorporating them into your regular vehicle care routine, you can safeguard your car against the frustration of starting issues that may leave you stranded. Remember, a little preventive maintenance today can save you from major headaches down the road. Stay proactive, stay informed, and keep your car running like a well-oiled machine. When your car starts and then dies, don't ignore it. This issue often points to deeper problems, such as fuel system failures, battery issues, or bad sensors. These problems can escalate if left unattended. Address them quickly to avoid costly repairs or breakdowns. Regular maintenance keeps your vehicle reliable and extends its life. Take action now to ensure your car remains in top shape. Stay proactive with your car's health and enjoy a smoother drive. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.